When you're just starting your financial journey, small mistakes can cost you years of progress. Most beginners don't fail because they don't earn enough money. They fail because they make avoidable money mistakes early on. Welcome to Beginner Wealth Lab, where we simplify money, investing, and wealth building for beginners. If you're new to managing money and want to avoid common traps, this video is for you. The first mistake beginners make is not having a clear picture of their money. Many people don't know exactly how much they earn, how much they spend, or where their money goes each month. Without awareness, it's impossible to improve. Budgeting doesn't mean restriction, it means control. When you understand your cash flow, you can make intentional decisions instead of reacting to surprises. The second mistake is living paycheck to paycheck without a plan. Even people with decent incomes fall into this trap. When every dollar is spent, there's nothing left for saving or investing. This creates constant stress and leaves no room for emergencies. Breaking this cycle starts with saving something, even small amounts, consistently. The third mistake is avoiding investing out of fear. Many beginners believe investing is only for rich people or that it's too risky. As a result, they leave their money in cash, where inflation slowly reduces its value. The biggest risk is often waiting too long to start. Long-term, diversified investing is how ordinary people build wealth. The fourth mistake is trying to get rich fast. Social media makes it seem like everyone is making quick money through trading, crypto, or secret strategies. Chasing fast wins often leads to losses and frustration. Wealth is built slowly through patience, consistency, and discipline, not luck. The fifth mistake is ignoring long-term thinking. Beginners often focus only on short-term comfort instead of future freedom. Small daily spending choices may feel harmless, but over time they add up. Thinking long-term helps you make better decisions today that benefit you years from now. One of the biggest reasons these mistakes happen is lack of financial education. Most people are never taught how money works, so they rely on trial and error. The good news is that awareness alone puts you ahead of most people. Avoiding these mistakes doesn't require perfection. It requires consistency. You don't need to do everything at once. Start by improving one area, then build from there. To summarize, the 5 money mistakes beginners must avoid are not knowing where money goes, living paycheck to paycheck without a plan, avoiding investing, chasing quick money, and ignoring long-term thinking. Fixing these mistakes early can save you years of financial struggle. If you're just starting your financial journey, remember this: progress matters more than perfection. Small, smart decisions repeated over time lead to real wealth. If this video helped you, subscribe to Beginner Wealth Lab for more beginner-friendly videos on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Learn money. Build wealth.